you getting warm?
What?
Talking to Bo.
Okay.
Asking him if he's staying warm over there by the fireplace. He says, yeah, I'm staying warm and I'm bogarting it. Because my name is Bo, so I bogart. Made you some space, Big Red. You can warm your butt by the fireplace. Bushu. Butler. Hey. Butler. Hup hup. Brandy. No, stay down, Barnaby, Bo. Stay down. Not listening. Man, you guys. You need to go out in the sunshine and lay outside for a while and air out your fur. Y'all are stinking. Especially that one over there. She smells like old moldy cheese. Tim.
Yeah.
There is nothing diet about chocolate cake.
Never said it was.
Satan! You're in league with Lucifer.
Yep.
Trying to make your wife have a big butt. You're a bad man, Tim.
Yep.
Next time you want a cake, you buy some applesauce.
Do what?
Buy some applesauce. Unsugared, don't get the kind with the cinnamon. Just plain, cheap applesauce. And put the same amount of applesauce in as the recipe calls for oil.
Okay.
And it'll have less fat. Make sure you get sugar-free applesauce.
Right.
Cake mix has got enough sugar in it already. Fat-free, sugar-free, calorie-free ice cream. Like, you know, non-fat frozen yogurt or something. No frosting. Right, Bitsy? Oh, glowy eyes. She goes, I'm in front of the fireplace where it's warm on my little doggy butt. She getting your doggy fur warm. You can get a lot closer than that. Is it too hot?